Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change alert sounds on TradingView account. So first we're going to open the TradingView app. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the menu section on the lower right corner. Then once here, you're going to click on settings found at the top right corner. Then click on push notifications. So as you can see, there's the alert sounds. So there are numerous alert sounds, so you guys can change it up. So as you've heard, we've checked different alert sounds. So from now on, your push notifications would have those sounds. So that's how you change it up. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.